together on a sheet and put it up on the web and give you copies next week. Okay? So what we're going to do, we're going to go through a little story, and we'll resume our other story next week. The story is called Hamelin. Okay, it's about a town, say Hamelin in Germany. Oh, okay. So this will be actually, this is an easier text than what we've been working from, and since you're familiar with the story, it makes it a little easier to go through it too.
I'm not familiar with the story.
No, you will be familiar with it. Okay. So, and I guess Kevin has us up on YouTube now, so watch what you say because people all over the world will hear you.
That's so nice. Everybody just got
He got rid of all the rats and they refused to pay him. So
okay. All right. Well, we'll find out. We'll find out pretty soon what goes on. Okay, we're gonna start.
No, but that's funny.
Okay, what I'm going to do on this is I'm going to read a sentence first, see if you can guess what it says, and then we'll write them up if we need to. Catch, or not? Okay. Starts out. Wie Wincher Hamelin we've grown. Wincher Hamelin we've grown.
There was
Yeah. Right, the people.
Oh, I understand.
Wie Wincher.
What's the word for teacher past then?
People.
Munchor.
So the Wincher Hamelin we've grown. The people of Hamelin were sad. Okay, Wincher is used for, you can say Wincher, meaning my people, meaning like your family and such, or like your extended family. But it's also used for the people of an area. So Wincher Hamelin are the people of the town of Hamelin. Okay.
Sure. How do you pronounce the word for teacher then?
Teacher is different. The teacher is Munchor. So Wincher, Munchor. Yeah, almost spelled similarly. And you've heard the expression to be sad is, you can say, grown, autumn, is to say that I am sad. This is a different way of putting it. They were under sorrow. Okay, I guess if the sorrow's on you, then you're under the sorrow. So the Wincher Hamelin we've grown, they were sad. Okay? The Agla and Dowan Orca Homa.
They were afraid.
Yes.
They were afraid?
They were afraid. Yeah.
People were afraid.
They were very afraid. So the Agla and Dowan.
Yeah.
And Dowan.
Fear of the world was on them.
The Agla and Dowan Orca Homa. So the fear of the world means a great fear. Okay? Orca is on them, Homa also. So the Agla and Dowan Orca Homa. And they were very afraid too. Ken fa rev grown agus Agla Orca.
Why were they sad and frightened?
So Ken fa.
Why that?
Ken fa. Arev. So Ken fa Arev is why was. Ken fa Arev. Grown agus Agla Orca. So why was there sorrow and fear on them? Okay, Ken fa Arev. You can also say Ken fa Gorev. Okay. That's the way you ask how, why is Ken fa, or why was Ken fa Arev, why was. These on there. Okay, and the answer, Frankie.
Okay.
Frankie, yeah. Okay. They might have been having a war with their neighbor there, but yeah, actually hearing this much, you wouldn't know. Because we one or the other, okay? You might have, depending on what. Frankie. Okay. Frankach is the rat. And the plural Frankie. Okay. Frankie, Frankie, Frankie. Okay? Apparently lots of them. So, Viga Chap Sawadia Longiv.
Every house in town. of them. Every house
All
in
of
town
them,
is
yeah.
full.
So we, gach chap Sowalia, okay? So we gach chap Sowalia, every house. So Walia means home, but it also means town. So in this case, in the town, so Walia. Lawn is full, G of them. Okay. And G comes from J. Anyway, the local comes to the J. Okay. So we got chap so Walia lawn G. Agus nach iad a bit more agus Donna.
They were very bold rats.
Yeah. Okay. So the way it is here. Agus nach iad
They weren't
be
afraid of
more agus Donna. Okay. Literally, and isn't it they who were large and bold? Okay. So more means large. Donna is bold, or bold in this case. It's used to refer to. You can refer to children who are mischievous in a bad way, kind of, as Donna. Troublemakers, Donna. Okay. More is big. So in this case, and isn't it? I guess not it. Isn't it them that were large and bold? Okay. I guess not it be more of Donna. Fridge shield less the mother.
Fridge
shield. You've seen that word before.
Played.
Fridge shield less the mother.
Something about the dogs.
They fight.
They fought the dogs.
Yeah, the fridge is fighting. Fridge shield they fought less the mother with the dogs.
They fought with the dogs.
Fridge shield less the mother. Sorry, worry shield na catch.
Ate cats.
They killed it?
They killed the cat. Worry shield na catch. The word is worry.
Some rats that killed people.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, worry. That's it. When we did Dun Waru is murder. Worry is Maru is killing. So worry shield na catch. Okay. Near Vager, the Wincher and Wadia, Grek Porco, Kun'iad, Awaru. So near Vager,
They could not.
right
They
now.
could not.
So near Vager, then Wincher and Wadia.
It's not possible the people of the town could not.
Near Vager, the Wincher. Alright, near Vager, the Wincher and Wadia. Vrek Porca. Kun'iad Awaru. Okay, so near Vager means it wasn't possible. Say it is possible, it's Vager.
Yeah, it's
It isn't
Vager.
possible,
Here,
near Vager.
Not Vager.
It was possible, Vager. It means was possible or could be possible. Near Vager, it wasn't or it couldn't be possible. In this case, it wasn't. Near Vager, it wasn't possible. Len Wincher and Wadia for the people
of the
So
town.
Irish is lev, it means for. Len Wincher and Wadia. Brek orca is to seize them, to grab them. It's the same way we get the, like I get Brek Law's birthday. Because the word Brek means to grab, like your Rogume means I was grabbed. Okay, I was born. Okay. So Brek orca, to grab on them, orca. hun in order,
Or
To
kill
in the water, then
Kill.
kill.
Yeah.
Okay?
people in the town couldn't grab.
Okay. So if you wanted to say, I couldn't grab him, you say, near Rager Lum, rätt borta. Okay? So the let tells you who it is who can or can't do something. Okay? So, let's try a couple more things with that one. It's a particularly useful phrase.
But there could be another, could be
And face your lad. And face your lad chat, can you come? Okay? So in face your lad, is it possible for you? In face your lad.